Yo, what's up, traders? I just looked through the charts and I found some nice potential opportunities slash trade ideas for the upcoming week. So I decided to just share them with you guys. If you like this sort of content, supporting the channel through liking, commenting, and subscribing is very much appreciated. And I also have a Discord you can join. Okay, so overall, my bias right now on the dollar index overall is bearish. I think it potentially goes to test this area on the earlier days of the week, so the Monday and Tuesday, but potentially it can also just go down straight away. But yeah, just bear that in mind. Overall bearish. For for Euro USD, that means that I'm overall bullish. So I think this scenario is much more likely than the bottom one, the bottom arrow. But as you can see, we're at like a really nice area that's well respected. Multiple touches on the area, and uh, the most important thing for me right now is the doji-ish candlestick here. The closing, like the last day of the week, the Friday closed like a doji. It looks very likely for me that it will be filled on the Monday, and yeah, just showing really nice signs of slowing down. The only thing I don't like, which is like a bearish indicator, is that it closed under this structure. Ideally, this candle wouldn't have closed under there, but the upside on that is that that's a little bit technical. That because there's a new lower low here, that means that the high is easier broken because now it only needs to go to here instead of all the way over here to be broken and become bullish in a way. It's not the exactly the way I look at structure, but or in this case, yeah, it is actually. This was the low, the higher low. This was the higher high, and it got broken. So we're bearish right now, with this being the lower low, and this the lower high. So it's easier to be broken. So in a way, it's also kind of bullish. But yeah, let's get on to the next one. Oh yeah, and this, by the way, this is what I would target potentially. It's you can have pretty big TP. Just place your stop loss under the area, potentially even under like the low of the previous day. But if you want to be like have a little bit more of an RR, bigger RR, you can also have it a little bit tighter. The area we target is just the overall structure formed here. I just anticipate it to be tested at least one more time before potentially going down, or just breaking and retesting like this. So yeah, I just think price will gravitate towards this one more time. Um, so then we have USD JPY. I'm actually bullish on this one, which is like counter towards the Euro USD. But yeah, I do really like how the daily closed. As you can see, like really nice rejection from this area. And what I think that will happen is most likely it will retest this area one more time. As you can see, like nice little area, like very clean touches. This one, for instance, this one very clean, this one very clean. So here again, here again. So yeah, it's a very nice, very clean, small area. And what I think is that it will potentially sort of test it on the Monday, or yeah, I think potentially Monday, and then go up. So that's my idea for USD JPY. I just think like it just broke the structure, becoming bullish. So I just think it needs to create like a new higher low. As you can see, like the last two candles were already like slowing down. So I fully anticipate Monday early on to be like going to this area basically. Um, so next one is USD CAT. I had a really nice trade on it, but yeah, I did only I took home 1100 on the 100k account, but as you can see, I could have had like a lot more. I didn't even close here. I closed like a little bit like here somewhere, because I was already in nice profit and it sort of pulled back really fast, or maybe here, I don't know. But yeah, it could have been like way bigger. I just shared it in my Discord that this could have been like a way bigger trade, but yeah, still nice, still very happy with it. But what I anticipate it to have like a retracement because yeah, this candlestick is obviously super bearish. But so what I anticipate for next week or next day actually is like it at least creating a wick, like at least, but potentially even like being bullish. I don't think it will fully engulf it. That would be crazy, but I think it will at least like sort of create a wick and then potentially go down or sort of be like a slow Monday candle, like a sort of rejection-ish candle. And then on the Tuesday and Wednesday, it will sort of pull back all the way to here. And then we'll see how the week close on the Thursday and the Friday, potentially bearish or bullish. But overall, of course, the week is looking super bearish. But I just found this area as one of the stronger areas I have like sort of analyzed. As you can see, I've drawn it up like before in videos. It's just a very strong area, and it's at the area again. Every time it's under, as you can see, it goes down. Like every time here, it goes down, and then one time it pulled above, it retested and it pushed up, and then here it pushed up, and then it was under, it retested, it went down. As you can see here, it's just a little bit iffy, but yeah, I just anticipated it's above, it will retest and go up. That's just my sort of my bias on it. Of course, do your own research. Nothing is financial advice here, just educational purposes only and entertainment potentially. But yeah, these are sort of the pairs I just looked at, which I liked. So yeah, again, if you like this sort of content, supporting is very much appreciated. I'm a newfound dad, so I haven't had a lot of time to trade or to make videos for that matter. But I just passed 2 accounts again, and I'm slowly 40% on the way of passing a 100K account. So things have been going well. I've been sharing my sort of trade IDs sometimes beforehand in the group, but yeah, we could use some new people in there to just like get it a little bit more active. And yeah, feel free to join. Link is in the description. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and I wish you the very best in the trading week ahead. All right, thank you.